Welcome back, IP4. I hope that you are doing great, staying home and staying safe. Today, we are having a review. Our review will be covering lesson 1 to lesson 9. Today, this is our 10th class, our 10th lesson together. So for today's lesson, we are doing a review. So let's get right into it. Words to remember. Communication. Pros and cons. Freeware. Portable. Communication. What does communication mean? It means sending or receiving information. Pros and cons. Pros and cons are positive or negative aspects or things about something. Freeware is a software that is available free of charge. So it's free. So freeware is software that is available free of charge. Portable, easy to carry. Can you remember ICT? ICT, what does ICT stand for? I stands for information, C stands for communication, and T stands for technologies. Smartphone. It has the functions of a computer, has a touch screen. It's weaker than a computer. Many applications on it, from games to education or even work related. You can watch movies, you can listen to music or study. Tablet, like a smartphone, but bigger screen, stronger than a smartphone. Many applications on it, from games to education or even work related. Smart TV. It's a television. It can connect to the internet. It can connect to the internet. It can download applications. You can play music and movies on it. It can browse the internet and search on Google. Freeware. Freeware such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Line, and text message. All this is for communication, free of charge. Let's talk about QR code. What is QR code? QR code is for shortcuts to information. So QR code is a shortcut. It's black and white square used for storing URLs or other information for reading by the camera on a smartphone. So basically, they are shortcuts for information, and they are black and white squares. So they are black and white squares, okay? Now let's take a look at parts of the browser. So you can see we have the back and forward button. We have the tabs option. We have the refresh option. We have the close button. We have the maximize option. We have minimize right here. And this is the search bar, which is the place that you do your search. you can do your search. Let's talk about tools on Google. So this is your tools right here. And this is the details once you click on tools that you get. So by using the search tool, you customize your search and will get better outcomes. So what does that mean? That means when you use the tools option, you can search faster, better, and get the exact result that you need. For example, if you search cats and you choose the size, maybe you want a very big size of pictures, so you can choose large. If you want to find a black cat, you can just choose the color to choose black, so you will get black cats. All right. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? It's a software to present work. For presenting work, always be short and with useful information. You can use graphs for better understanding. And this is the icon for your Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint has many features that can help you to organize. For example, quick access toolbar, title bar, the ribbon, slide bar, slide tab, slide pane, notes pane, and status bar. So each of them do something different. Some, for example, quick access toolbar can help you save and undo very fast. The slide tab can show you all existing slides. Status bar shows you how many slides you have. Notes can help you to remember things and note it down. Title bar tells you the name of the document, and the ribbon has all the tools inside. The ribbon has all the tools that you need. So we have animations, themes, and effects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Animations are used to make more interactive presentations and make objects move in the slide. Themes are the design and the layout of each slide. And effects are the transition between one slide to the next slide. So let's talk about how you can make a table in PowerPoint. This is how you insert the table in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can select how many columns and how many rows you need. So you go to the select tab, you go to the insert tab, you go to the insert tab, you find the table, and you can select with the little arrow, you click the little arrow and you insert the table. You insert the table, choosing from here how many rows and how many columns it should have. You can design and color your table as you like by going to the table design. You go to the table design right here. You can choose colors of your table. So you have to go to table design and you can choose many colors, many styles for your table. Smart art. You can use to show a process or topics that are connected. So you have to go to insert tab and then you can find the smart art right here and then choose it and create the the type of list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, or picture. You can choose which type of relationship does your smart art need. Next, we have charts, which helps us to present data. So again, all this is in the Insert tab. You go to the Insert tab, you select Chart, and then you get this pop-up, and you can choose many different types of charts, such as column, line, pie, hierarchy, statistical, and so on. All right, you have many options to choose from. Next, we have title bar, which displays the name of the document. This is the title bar. Next, we have, so this is what we are talking about now is the Microsoft Word. So we are done with PowerPoint now, and we're talking about Microsoft Word. So we start with the title bar, So title bar is where it displays the name of your document and the saved name. Well, what's the name of it? Next, we have File tab, which helps you to open, save as, print, and many more. We have the document area, which is a white plane right here in the middle, which is the main working plane, which is the place that you type, write, and work on. The ribbon, it includes most of the tools that you need to use, and most options you will need to type or edit your file is right on the ribbon, which the ribbon is here and has different parts such as clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, or editing, which for each part, this will be different. It might be for home tab, it might be for modifier tab, page layout tab. For each different part, it has different groups, all right? So for this, the whole thing we call the ribbon. So each tab has different options inside, but the whole thing it's called the ribbon, which helps you to edit your files easier and faster. All right, next we have the status bar, which shows you how many pages you have in your file and how many words you have written. So if, for example, your teacher says you have to write 250 words, you can check it from there how many words it is. You can click File and press Save. This is how you save. You press File and then you go to Save As or just Save, and just save your file as what you need, the name, the location, and which folder you want to save. That's how you choose. Next, we are talking about how to record yourself in PowerPoint. You can record yourself using PowerPoint, which you have to go to the Slideshow tab. So make sure you have to go to Slideshow tab. All right, this one, maybe some of you won't have it in your PowerPoint if you're using an older version, an older version. So, but if you have, you can use this. You can find it. So you go to Slideshow tab. You can find the record slideshow. All right. So the place that you have to go for recording yourself, you have to go to Slideshow tab, and you go to Record Slideshow. So once you click that, you will get this option, which Here you can start the camera and record yourself as well while you present. Here you can mute or unmute yourself so people can hear your voice. This is pause. And this is to start recording. And this is to end the show, to close it. All right. And when you do this, you have options underneath that says slides, that shows the slide number, which slide number are you talking about now? So which shows slide number 4 out of 6, for example, here. And then you have options to draw and using pens that you can choose many colors from, or have the laser pointer, which has 3 colors to use. And this is the place that you can choose colors for the pens. Next, we are talking about exporting PowerPoint as a video, which you have to go to File and then click Export and export as MP4 or MOV. And the other option to record yourself is using the program called Zoom, which is a program which is free until 40 minutes. If you record yourself or you have a meeting less than 40 minutes, it's for free. And what you do is you just go to the website, you sign in, and you choose to host a meeting with the video on, and click the new meeting. Well, once you do that, you click the new meeting right here, and you can start recording yourself by clicking this. Once the call starts, you can start the record button here, so it records you while you speak or while you share your screen. So this is how you can share the screen. So you have to press this first to record yourself, and then press this to share your screen, and you can talk. So once you press share screen, you can choose which one you want to show, which one you want to share. I usually suggest choose the desktop option or choose the Microsoft PowerPoint option. Is up to you, but I always share with desktop. It's just easier. And then once you choose it, just press share, and then it's going to be shared. After you finish presenting, you can end the call, but when you end the call, don't close Zoom until it saves your recording, which it might take a bit of time. So you just press end call and end meeting for all. You just press that, and your call gonna end, and then you get this message which says converting your meeting. So don't close Zoom until this ends, and it will show you the location the video is saved. All right, that's it for our review class. So your homework is go to this link. It's a Google Forms. You go to the link. You have to just answer all the questions. It's a worksheet for you on Google Forms. Just answer all the questions. I am sure you can do it. Try your best, and please finish before Thursday, 9th of September. So 9th of September is your deadline, is your due date on Thursday, 9th of September. So make sure you finish on time. All right. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for being here, and I hope you are staying safe. Have fun. Enjoy your day. Take care. Goodbye.